Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's get started. Segment 1. Design and Display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts a design that's both elegant and functional. When unfolded, it boasts an impressively slim profile of just 4.5 millimeters and measures 9.5 millimeters when folded, camera bump included. Its inner display has expanded to 8.2 inches, offering a near-tablet experience, while the outer screen measures 6.5 inches, perfect for quick tasks on the go. Both screens utilize dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X technology, delivering vibrant colors and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Segment 2. Performance and Software. Powering the Z Fold 7 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring exceptional performance across multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, users have ample space and speed at their fingertips. The device runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.1, offering enhanced multitasking capabilities tailored for the foldable experience. Segment 3. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will value the Z Fold 7's highly versatile camera system. It features a 200nm main sensor, capturing images with incredible detail and clarity. Complementing this are a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3D optical zoom, allowing for a range of shooting options. For selfies and video calls, the device offers a 10-megapixel front camera and a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the main screen. Segment 4. Battery and Charging. Despite its slim profile, the Z Fold 7 houses a 4,400 mAh battery, providing all-day power for most users. Charging is efficient, with 25 watts wired charging reaching 50% in just 30 minutes, 15 watts wireless charging for convenience, and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging to power other devices on the go. Segment 5. Durability and Build. Z Fold 7 features an enhanced armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back panels. Segment 6. Pricing and Availability. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to launch in July 2025, with prices starting at $6499.98 for the 256 GB variant. Other options include 512 GB $76,998, 1 TB $2,998, available in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Green colors. Thanks for watching.